Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart. We are focusing on comparing and ordering with a problem related to TEKS 5.2b, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we need to compare 6 different sets of numbers, and only 2 of them are going to be correct. So it looks like all of my numbers, we've got a big variety here. So I'm just going to build kind of a big place value chart. Looks like my largest numbers go to the tens place. I see them right here. And then I've got some going to the thousands. So let's just put them all right here. See if we can fit them all right there. So I drew that line first because that's going to be my decimal. So I've got my tens place, I've got my ones place, and then I'm going to use decimals to kind of show these 3 places over here. You can write them as words, you can write them as fractions, your choice. All right, so my tenths, my hundredths, and my thousandths. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write my numbers in here. I'm going to anchor around my decimals. So 9 point, so here's my decimal. So I'm not going to start at the left, that's the tens place. I'm going to say 9 point, and then build it from there. 450. And then I've got a 9.45. All right, so if I'm going to do those two, I need to compare. They say the 9.450 is greater. Well, I can't really compare them unless they both go to the same place value. So I'm going to add a 0 here. And guess what happens? Those are equal. Okay, so we're going to say those two are equal, which means this is not a correct answer because it says the 450 is greater. And so we're going to kind of just separate that. We're going to use the same place value chart. So now I've got 0.73. So I'm going to anchor out my ones place. 0 and 73 hundredths is less than 0 and 703. Once again, let's make them both go to the same place value. And we're going to say that 0, look at that, 730 thousandths, 703 thousandths. Even though 73 is less than 703, with our place value that 73 is really 730, it's greater than, not less than. So that is incorrect. So let's do our next one here. Now we've got 5 and 219 thousandths. And I've got 5 and 22 hundredths. We're going to add that 0, and we're going to compare them. And it looks like we've got a difference right here, right? So that 19 is going to be less than 20. So we're going to say it's less than, but they say it is greater than. So incorrect. All right, so our 2 of the last 3 have got to be correct. So this one goes to the tens place. So let's do 12 and 6 hundredths. And then I've got 12 and 6 tenths. Okay, we're going to add that 0. We don't really need to worry about that 0 in the thousandths place. And we can say that 6 hundredths is going to be less than that 60 hundredths. They both have 12. Ah, we finally got one. All right, so that one is correct. Let's get 4 and 501 thousandths, 4 and 51 hundredths. I'm going to add that 0. And we've got this is going to be less than, right? So the 501 is less than 510. They say it's equal. Incorrect. So this last one has got to be correct. Let's make sure. 8 and 19 is going to be greater than 8 and 187. You would think 19 isn't as big as 187, but let's add that 0 so they both go to the same place value. Now it looks like 8 to 190 thousandths is greater than 8 to 187 thousandths, which is what they gave us. So our answers are going to be option 4 and then option 6. Those are the 2 correct answers.